Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you will be fine. So this is question 4.61 and the statement of this question is use theorem 4.7 to evaluate E of 2xy square minus x square y for the joint probability distribution shown in table 3.1 on page 96. Okay, so this is table 3.1 and here we can see that we have all the values for x and y and their joint probability distribution here as well. Okay, so now in order to find the solution of this question, let me solve it here, and the equation we have here is 2xy square minus x square of y. Okay, so let me apply the formulas here, and here in order to write the formulas at the end, what would we have? We would have here 2e of x y square minus e of x square y. Okay, so this is what you know, and this is because of the formulation where I have e of ax plus by. If we have this, so it will be a of ex plus b e of y. Okay, so this is because of this formula that we have got this one. Now here in this question, in order to find the values of this and this, what do we have to do? First of all, let me call it equation A. Okay, and from it, let me first find out the value of e of x of y square. Okay, so here e x of y square, it can be found out very easily by x on y square and the relevant f of x and y. Okay, so let me see them here. This is for all the values of x, this is for all the values of y. Okay, so this is the multiplication in, and if any one of them is 0, we will get here 0. Okay, so we can see that here all the values will be 0 because either here in this row we can see that all of them will be 0. In here we can see all of them will be 0 as well. Why? Because here y will be equal to 0, so multiplication here will become 0. Here x will be 0, so all of this will be cancelled out. This will also be cancelled out. Okay, similarly here we can see that here in these two values, this two here, this x and y are non-zeros while f of x y are zeros. Similarly here we can see that here this is also 0, so the only value which remains here is this 3 and 3 by 14, which is for x y equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Okay, so let me write those values here. So it will be for 1 square, and the value of f of x y will be 3 by 14. So it is what? This is 3 by 14 as well. Okay, similarly for finding the value of e of x square y, the similar operation will be followed here because the multiplication will remain the same, because here we can see that it would be x square y. Okay, so this would be the same x y. Here we will have x square y f of x and y. Okay, so putting all the values just like it, we will get here 1 square multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 by 14. So it will become, the answer of it will be 3 by 14. Okay, so these are what? These are the values of e of x square y and e of x y square. Let me put these values in equation A, and what would I get here? Ultimate equation I will get will be 2 multiplied by 3 over 14 minus 3 over 14. So the answer of it will be 3 over 14. So that is what? That is the answer of our question. Okay, so we have seen the solution of question 4.61. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.